Right now, somewhere in the world, someone just typed one message into their phone, and a few seconds later, a complete working app appeared on their screen. Someone just handed a client a finished AI app, branded, hosted, ready to sell, without writing a single line of code. Someone just charged $1,500 for an app that took them 3 minutes to build. That someone isn't smarter than you, doesn't code, doesn't have a design team, doesn't have more hours in the day. They just gave the command first. Meet Sarah, small agency owner, 3 clients, 0 spare capacity. Every morning starts the same way: emails waiting, deadlines waiting, clients waiting, and somewhere in between, a new client asks the one question she's learned to dread. Can you build us an app? She wants to say yes, but building an app used to mean developers, designers, months, a fortune. So every time, she said no and watched the money walk out the door. Not enough time, not enough team, not enough of her to go around. Sound familiar? Then one morning, everything changed. A client asked the question again.
Can you build us an app?
This time, Sarah picked up her phone, typed one command, and put it back down. Before her coffee was cold, the app was built. Her client's logo, her client's colors, live on their own domain. No coder, no designer, no new hire, no burning out. Sarah didn't get lucky. She just gave the command first. The gap between the people who own this technology and the people who don't is growing wider every single day. For years, software was locked behind code, behind developers, behind $50,000 teams, built for the few, impossible for everyone else. Until now. For the first time ever, one simple command sent from your phone builds a complete white label app for you. You describe it, the AI builds it, you brand it, and you sell it. 0 code, 0 designers, 0 limits. This is SnapApps AI. I'm Atul, co-founder of SnapApps AI, and on July 16th, we're handing you the weapon everyone else wished they had first. Chatbots, lead tools, content apps, fitness apps, booking apps, membership sites, all of it built in a snap. So the question left is simple. Are you going to keep turning clients away, or are you going to give the command? July 16th, your first app is one command away. But before July 16th, join our exclusive free pre-launch webinar. We're revealing everything. Live, free, limited seats. Only 200 spots, and they're filling up fast. Once they're gone, they're gone. Click below. Register right now. Secure your seat before someone else does. Don't miss this. Your app empire is almost ready. Are you? SnapApps AI. From the desk of Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh. Launch apps in a snap.